Gavana wa MERU KIRAITU na ugite iba kubangania na thirikari nene gwaka gikaro ya kurigita ajieba kansa kiria kigatungatira ajieba murimo jote MERU ake ende kinya kaunti inge iria iriganiritie na MERU. KIRAITU akwaragia mathikone jang'ina wa Paul Mucheke uria ni muriti ngugi wa kaunti na uria ng'ina atutigite nyuma ya ndoa na murimo jojwa NYIMBA. Mati Mugambi ni agukari mathikone ja
Kiariare mbaritia kiangua mathikoni mamwe kurunjo isikainua Muchege orano egina wa Paul Muchege muruti wira ndeni ya kaunti ya MERU. Gavana KIRAITU murungi ariuga gutire kuitha nontu kaunti ya MERU nio namba ya chieri na wingi bwantu barabari na murimo wa kansa ndeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya.
We don't have to wait. She died of cancer. She's not alone. MERU, we are number 2 in the incidences of cancer in Kenya. Hata ukienda Kenyatta Hospital, because you are registered by your districts. MERU is number 2 in the national statistics ya cancer in this country.
KIRAITU ariuga gutwika mwekurujo ararirwo imurimo wa kansa tikaire nyuma ya thirikari ya nthiguru ya Kenya gutenga chiringi bilioni 1 na milioni 600 cia gwaka cibitari ya kansa kiri kaunti ino.
So we work well with the national government, and I'm happy to report to you the national government has approved 1.6 billion Kenya shillings for us to put up a modern regional cancer center in MERU. Na hiyo itatusaidia. We are not going to take patients to Nairobi anymore.
Kiongera KIRAITU ugite cibitari inu igikagura machini egwitwa PET scan ya kuthimaga antu ba murimo wa kansa. Bagatumaga ajieba bakiri cibitari ya University ya Kenyatta kenda gutumikirwo gutari mari na batarite no andururu.
To buy a machine called PET scan, which is now available to the Kenyatta University Hospital, but we have arranged with Kenyatta University Hospital for cooperation. Those patients who require PET scan, they will also go there and be treated for free.
Kiatho ni KIRAITU bari andamanite na munini wa Kentocho na mwekuru wake Priscilla hamwe na atongoria bangi kathumba ba thirikari ya kaunti ino.
Kwa hivyo mimi ombi langu ni tuendelee kukaa na kusaidia community yetu kama vile mama alituonyesha. Tumepoteza mama in law na tunasikia pia vibaya kwa hayo ametendeka, lakini in everything, as I said, we give thanks to God. Ombi letu tu ni kusema Mungu amweke mahali pema peponi.
Tumwambie aende salama na sisi tumebaki tufuate hiyo mfano. Ni mtu alikuwa hana shughuli na mtu yeyote, alikuwa hana maandui, ni mtu alikuwa mama wa kanisa tuliambiwa hapa. Kwa hivyo sisi we are very happy to escort her in a respectful way.
Kiripotera Wero TV mbetagwa Mati Mugambi.
Nkatho cha mwanya ni untubo ugo wajukia kanya gaku na kwithirwo gwatanirite na bao twikire nteto cia ruthemo tuchemane thaa 3:30 mbeta Maureen Kinya mwonanete wa Mathio Ntuku ya Narua ni Purity Richard.